After school, the Brite Star kids visit the Brite Star pet store. Here, they help me, Jessie, organize all the pet food. Today, we're helping by arranging the food neatly on the shelves. When the food is organized, it's easy to find. This way, our animals get the right food at the right time. Being neat helps everyone, and it also makes the store look great. The kids carefully place the bags and containers, making sure the labels are facing forward. They straighten up the shelves and step back to admire their hard work. Doing a job well means taking our time and paying attention to details. It can be a big responsibility, but it helps us feel proud of what we accomplished together. It's important to understand that each little task contributes to the care of our furry friends. As they finish, the shelves look so neat and tidy. The kids smile confidently, knowing they've made a difference today. Great job helping today, Brite Stars. Thanks for being responsible and showing that when we work together, we can achieve wonderful things. Your effort makes the Brite Star Pet Store a lovely place for everyone who visits.